Step out onto the dock, watch the gulls and the pelicans flock, and we're rolling.
Happy spring, everyone. I hope you're having a beautiful day. March is finally here. I couldn't be more excited than this because I've been waiting to do my spring reset. So I thought that it is the perfect time to do a reset day on my life. So in this video, we're gonna cover cleaning. There are some places that are in need of some wiping, vacuuming, all that good stuff. Then I want to go out for a hot girl roll. I also want to share my new March goals with you. Before everything else, I feel like I'm starving. I woke up this morning and did my early morning routine, and right now I am really in need of a good healthy breakfast. So that is gonna be the first task of the day. So let's get started.
Tell him again, yeah?
Johnston.
Give me a minute. I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning? Come on, get with it. Fly British boy, I'm in the end, it's just beginning, yo.
Breakfast is ready. I have some scrambled eggs with onion and also some bread because I'm trying to go a little bit carb and protein heavy. As always, I have my coffee here with some milk. So I'm gonna dig in and then we've got some work to do. Cheers.
Future self, take my advice. When your lips are chapped, quit speaking out of line. A bloody tongue to set the vibe. If that's the worst, it's on my plate. I'll be alright, I'll be alright. I'll be alright. And if I'm not, I'm pretty sure that I'll be fine. Inconvenience is at best, like when a toe is introduced to every corner of your bed. That's what you get, that's what you get. An optimist that's so depressed by all the good things that inevitably he will have to miss. It's on a plaque, it's on my chest. I'll be alright, I'll be alright. I'll be alright, I'll be alright. I'm gonna be alright. And if I'm not, then I'll be fine. Yeah, I'll be fine. I'm gonna be alright. And if I'm not, then I'll be fine. Yeah, I'll be fine.
1, 2, 3, go. I can't listen to the slow songs when my feelings way up in the ozone. Cause that version of me is long gone. Blue light burning my eyes, I'm feeling low. Swear I caught a contact high over the phone. Wide awake at 3:45, I'm all alone. Torturing myself over someone I should let go. Man, standing up over shit that I can't control. Try to pull it in too tight, it's like a rose. Good at ignoring all the signs up in the road. Talking to myself like 1, 2, 3, go. I can't listen to the slow songs when my feelings way up in the ozone. Cause that version of me is long gone. If it feels good, what could go wrong? It's just the way life goes on. That version of me is long gone. Like out of sight, out of my mind, I can lie.
I just got ready for my hot girl walk. I know that I will definitely sweat. So I just have my legging and bra set, and this is in such a stylish green color. I'm definitely in love. But before that, I want to share my monthly goals for this spring season. I want to quickly mention some of my goals for this month, March. First one is actually a part of my glow up plan, which is to learn more about makeup and purchase some new products. I've already purchased those makeup products, but now I just need to practice that more and find my personal style. So that was the first thing. The second thing is, of course, creating content more frequently and taking more action, because my priority for this year 2025 is to take more action and be more productive and more practical. That way I can grow my audience. Also, for this spring season, I want to find my signature perfume. I've been using a perfume, but that was such an old one, and I finished it for sure because that was like from years and years and years ago. And now I want to find something that actually reflects my style and my personality, if that makes sense. And other than that, I want to do one photo shoot each month. I want to go to different locations in Istanbul. Spring and especially summer here in Istanbul is so amazing, and Tulip Festival is coming soon. I am so excited. I will be shooting and uploading some Istanbul vlogs really soon, and I'm not sure if I should start a living alone diaries because I'm living alone, and I know that those kind of like content is really inspiring and motivating for people. So that is another idea that I have. I have 3 books that I need to finish as usual. One is a physical book and the other 2 is audiobooks, and one of them is already done, finished, which is great. And also I need to work on a sponsorship which hasn't come out yet. I'm super excited for that, and that is gonna be like close to the end of March. And I think that is all for now. And now I don't want to miss out on this like super beautiful sunny weather. Outfit is ready. I'm gonna take my stuff and we're gonna go out because I really need to take some fresh air and visit some flower shops nearby.
No need try, we just go with the motions. Close your eyes, ease your mind for a moment. Need no smoke to make you feel you floating. You know joke or you pressure, you know it. You know it, you know. I don't fall to the pressure, I be handling business.
So I'm in the local park, just completed my steps for today. It was really fun, but the weather outside is a little bit cold actually. By the way, this is the view behind me.
It's easy, you don't trust but you can see.
Welcome back. It's been a good close to 6 or 7 hours. I got back home and I took a shower, and then I've been just like taking my time and like watching some stuff. I'm nowadays a little bit obsessed with a new TV series, so I've been just like enjoying that, to be honest, because on these reset days I just like need to relax. I need that like me time off the camera. So anyways, that was great. Every time I do a reset day, I like to do a deep cleanse. Today I'm gonna do PD method. There are like 3 steps included, and the first step is applying a BHA serum. After that, you don't rinse it, you apply your clay mask. I'll actually add some lemon to that to make it more effective. And as a third step, oil-based cleanser. Rinse it off and you're gonna be good to go.
Step out onto the dock, watch the gulls and the pelicans flock, and we're rolling up the ferry. What can I carry? We always overstock.
Then the captain comes on the line. Oh, it's just about that time. So we're off to the races. Please take your places. I got the island inside.
My skin feels like a baby's bum. Like, I'm not even lying, guys. Now massaging my face for the very last time. It's been close to 10 minutes and I think that time is enough. I'm looking like a tomato again. Anyways, please don't mind that. Guys, this is what I call a clean skin. Literally, when I just like get some air in my face, I can feel it with my every single cell. That's when you know like your pores are empty and fully clean. I feel like I need to wrap up today's video here. Thank you so much for watching this spring reset. I know that I filled it with such random moments here and there, but I hope you like to see my personality. I don't know what you think. But anyways, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!